Was habe ich noch? Karte. Was du gesagt hast. So, wo ist denn noch irgendwie? You want something like that?
Ja, wir haben.
Ja.
Francine's going to hold the tree like that.
Ja. Ja, Geschenke.
Where's the...
You do that on my birthday.
Guten Morgen, Francis.
Guten Morgen, Francis.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Hallo.
Sing it mit Francine in Deutsch. Zombie-Geburtstag, viel Glück.
Guten Morgen.
Zombie-Geburtstag, viel Glück.
Look, your birthday today.
Liebe Francis, zum Geburtstag viel Glück. Guten Morgen. Guck mal her, where's my handy? Yeah.
You like it?
Look at Francis, I have cake here for you. You're gonna blow it, yeah?
I'm going to do
Take
that.
hold of Francis. Where's the number 3, Francine? Give me the number 3, Francine. Yeah.
Don't blow yet, Francis.
Don't blow yet, yeah? Photo first.
First we want to take your birthday photo.
Yeah, photo first.
Sleepy. Huh? No?
Why not there? Come on.
No, because there's, he's
Okay.
facing this way.
Okay.
So,
So, blow the candle, make a wish. What? Okay?
Yeah.
Good health always for Francis. Yeah, blow. You have to blow the cake.
blow the candle.
Like this.
Should Auntie Francine do it?
Francis.
Francis.
Macht mein Geschenk.
Francis, blow the candle first, please. The candle.
Wie du immer
Fire,
machen
switch on the
wolltest.
fire.
Yeah. Okay, Mama blow it for Francis.
No, me.
He can blow it. It's waiting. Francis, it's waiting. To break. Auntie Francine will blow it for you. But you know already how to blow it.
Der weiß vielleicht nicht, wie man
Need
das
to blow it
macht.
before you open the present.
You know.
Out.
So blow the candle first. 1, yeah,
This.
yeah, yeah. 1,
Good.
yeah. 1, 2, 3.
Good.
Yay!
No, look. Okay.
Where are you? Your phone? I cannot find my phone. Where is that now? Ah, it's there.
Ta-da.
Du magst das nicht.
And now that.
Francine ist auch
Mann.
ja.
Man ist sehr
Er lässt es sehr gut.
Francis,
Ich habe keine dabei.
huh?
Ich habe keine dabei.
It's alles good. I don't.
Nein, warte.
Is that number 3?
Yeah.
No, it's number 3.
Guck, Mama.
Nein, 3 muss umgedreht sein.
Mama.
Hold the balloon, Francis. Take
Nein, das ist
hold of it.
andersrum.
Das muss andersherum sein.
Yeah, schön. How is that work number 3?
Andersherum.
Nein,
Jean.
Ja, so.
So,
Francis.
smile, Mama, be. Gabis tiga. Uya, mag-mainahan man. Francis, smile, look, Mama.
I think you're going to your fun park.
Francis öffnen.
Alter.
Nein, mach die andere auf. You should open that.
Yeah,
This
oh, it's yours.
This one.
Oh,
You
it's
gotta
yours.
open that.
Yeah, open them.
One.
Oh, the big one.
You should do the big one last. The monkey one.
Oh, 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 oh.
Dun, dun, dun.
Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun.
Oh.
Those are actually fake.
Remember, there's other camera.
First, and this one will be Francene.
It's celebrity.
Wow.
Wow. Dun, 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 dun.
Das schön aufmachen.
Dog
Aber was
nose.
sogar-
Open first the other ones.
Lass so, ja.
Ich hab das schon gesehen.
Ja.
Ja, mein.
Sie hatten meine Box geguckt.
Ich meinte, was da drin ist.
Wow. Hala. What is that?
That's mein Pencil.
Paw Patrol. Paw Patrol. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. What do you have? Francene? What do you, I wanna read what Francene give me up. Francene give me something. Wow, you did that? Francis?
And then this.
Oh, there's an airplane. Oh.
Junge, mein so
And
schlecht.
then Frau.
Paw Patrol.
Cookies. Hauptsache es ist zu essen.
Oh, was letzte. Ja, ich habe nichts zum Essen.
You can see it all from.
Viele.
Ich wollte mehr Süßigkeiten kaufen, aber egal. Vielleicht für ihn.
Alles auf.
Ja,
Auto.
Auto. Beste Ding.
Die Auto.
Alter, wie nur so kleine Sachen.
Aufpassen, Francene. Wow, that is viel Geschenk. Huh? Can I see? Look here, smile. So Mama is happy. Smile here. Okay.
Das ist zu Hause ein Ding.
Was damit? Nein, die kleine. Wie das hier hin? Soll ich es aufmachen?
Francene, where are you? Here, from Mama.
Big one.
I throw this away. Yeah?
Nein, lass doch mal Haus machen.
Zu Hause, weil dann du verlierst alles.
Das kannst du öffnen, weil es kein
Ist überall mit mir.
Francene, come here.
It's a cookie.
Yeah, you bring that in the.
What's this?
You bring that in the. Not to, don't burn it. And this one, I think it's better we take it off at home, yeah? Okay? Play this at home. Okay? Grabe, oy, so many cars. Good job, Mama. Did you buy? Vanessa and Ate Ella did already.
Vanessa hat alles Auto.
Like the coffee is finished.
Is that yours too, Vanessa?
Das,
That's
die Autos und ich habe verkauft.
Die hat nur den, ich hab Autos. Ja, ihr habt ihm nur das gegeben, das ist so wenig.
yeah, because we are
Was ist denn
traveling.
das?
Francine müssen wir
Stifte?
nicht kaufen.
Stifte?
Der
oder
Reib,
was?
Bleistift und keine Ahnung was der.
Buntstifte und Bleistifte. Und Radiergummi dazu.
Cool.
Und dann School Cookies.
Geile Idee. Very nice. Ja.
Ich habe die Cola vergessen.
Ja, die Cola.
Ja, schade, Mamila.
Und die Stimme ist so anders. Du hörst dich.
Baby, coffee is ready there for you.
Nee, du kannst eigentlich da beißen, weil die andere ist meins.
careful.
Hallo, ich soll das nicht öffnen, der wird Sachen verlieren.
Ja. Dann hätte man ihm das jetzt nicht geben sollen.
Du solltest das auch wissen.
Aber natürlich will er das damit jetzt spielen.
Francine, come here.
Hey,
Come.
Franz.
So we're gonna go to other.
Okay. Was hat er gemacht?
Coffee.
No, das
Du
muss
musst
er
es immer
trotzdem
noch
aufmachen.
sehen.
There, what you
So,
did
I'm-
for his birthday.
Ja, ist cool.
There's one airplane there, sticker.
Oh, da ist noch was vor das. Okay.
Papi, here.
Yeah, that one you don't need to open.
Hier, das hier.
And here.
This we don't need to open either because
Mommy.
not yet. We just do the car first, and that's and then we have to go.
Das hier.
Come on, we're gonna go outside. We're gonna go. We can still leave it in the hotel pa. We come back on the way back. We
What?
go
Two.
first look there in the Belgian waffle, na?
It's not the kind of one.
What's it yummy be? It's like pan cooking.
So,
You cannot have normal McDonald's.
I'm gonna let you build this because my finger here doesn't go with it.
Du hast gesagt, du wolltest.
Ja, ich wollte das, aber ich kann das nicht mehr mit dem scheiß Finger.
so
hier.
give me all this.
Vanessa
have
ist
to put
gut
that
mit
together
dem
again.
Ding. Mit dieser
We have to
Reifen.
put that together.
Vanessa ist gut mit dem Reifen.
Ja,
Gib mal den. Was muss man machen damit?
da drauf.
Treten.
Yeah, Ella. It is melted, that's why it's.
Warte.
Guck, du hast den Plan, ne?
You want to try?
Ja,
Okay.
eat some cake.
Ja.
What?
Eins.
Come. You like it?
Ja, das ist doof.
Get
Also
two
hier
of them
kannst du
and
nicht
make
mal
them
die Tür
beside each
öffnen.
other. It's like,
Musst du
yeah.
die ganze Ding machen. Warte, ich muss die Tür machen.
No. The close is that.
Yeah, but Francis, still, you need to do the wheels, put the wheels on it and the door.
Give me, I will put the door.
That's why we should do that later, Francis. We have so much time.
Yeah, but when you give it to him, then of course he's like that.
The door, no door.
At least the big ones can already do stuff.
Ich glaube, wir brauchen das auch irgendwo.
Yeah, that's
The next birthday is Francine's birthday. Oh.
Yeah.
First, the cusp